This is my go-to shirt. Like, I'm always in this shirt, so please don't mind that. This is just like my house shirt. Everybody has one. I know you do. Second of all, look how crazy my hair is. Why is it leaning to the right? I look like Frankenstein's wife. I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, it is definitely wash day. Are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Woo! Oh my gosh. Literally a tragic mess. If you have curly hair and or if you are black, then you know the struggle. We be putting off wash day and I can't put it off anymore because it's like I can't go places now because I have to do my hair and it's like harder to do and to style because she's had it. She's had enough. I have been contemplating whether or not I should film this because this isn't a video that anybody asked for, and so I don't know how it'll perform, but we're gonna see. If nobody likes it, I don't have to do it again. But then also, I'm trying to keep in mind that it is my channel. I don't feel like my hair is the longest yet, but it's definitely longer than it used to be, okay? I came a long way. My hair used to be like up to my neck. I had a little bob, it would be like, but it's like right here so far. It's like a tiny little piece, yeah. I got my handy dandy tape measure. Okay, so it's July. I think today is July 9th. I usually wear a protective hairstyle every month, like braids or twists, and then I take my hair out at the end of the month and I measure my hair to see how much growth I got, and then I wash it, and then I put the next protective style in. This month is a little bit different because it takes a lot of discipline to just wear braids and twists like 24/7 all year round, and I'm getting really tired of it. So the discipline is there, and because of it, I'm reaping the results, okay? All right, comfortably, it's giving 17 inches. Some months I measure it and I'm like at the same place and I'm like, huh? But some hair strands are like longer than others. Like this one is almost 18, but I mean like 2 strands touch 18 here. But does that count? I don't think I should like count that. Yeah, this one is like 17, but it just barely touches 17. It's kind of like 16 and a half because like I said, this side is shorter than the other. I've been like measuring and just doing protective styling back to back since 2020. However, I made a lot of mistakes during 2020 that I course corrected and fixed last year, 2021. So I feel like even though I've been growing it since 2020, the actual progress I've made has been since last year of 2021. Yeah, this is at 18 inches. In the front, the middle used to be my shortest pieces of hair, like in the crown area, but it's kind of caught up to the back of my head where now it's about like the same length. All right, there's 17. I don't know if you can tell. There's 18. Yo, I'm counting that as 18. Like, that's a good chunk. I mean, sheesh. I don't know, I think I should count that as like 18. So those are my current measurements for what I grew the month of June because I just took my hair out. I'm gonna change my shirt, but this is what I use as my conditioner to detangle inside and outside the shower. So I just finger detangle my hair with the Aussie Moist conditioner, and I do this in small sections like all the way around my head so that once I get in the shower it's easier to shampoo and condition, because then when I get to I guess the detangling part again like a second time, because I guess I detangled twice, like once outside the shower and then the second time inside the shower, it's almost as if I'm just running my fingers through my hair and I'm not really like detangling as much because it's not tangly at that point because I did it like outside the shower. Also, if you really want to know a good tip to reducing breakage, it's gonna sound insane, I promise you it really is, because I thought it was insane and for the longest I just wouldn't do it, but now I do this. Get rid of your comb. Like, use your fingers and don't use your comb. And it sounds ludicrous and it's gonna take a minute for you to like get used to it, but if you detangle with your fingers and not with your comb, it's like a game changer. Do it take longer? It might, but it's not like I never use a comb. If I have like if I just can't get it with my fingers, then I'll use my comb. But like 9 times out of 10 now, I only use my fingers, and I only really use the comb when I'm getting a section of hair ready like for braids. Like if I'm Like, you know, I'm combing through it because I'm about to like put it in braids or whatever. Other than that, I don't even use my comb anymore and it's crazy. All right, so I just finished with my hair. I just finished detangling it. Took a long time because I wasn't in a hurry, but yeah, it's all detangled. So now I'm gonna get in the shower and wash it. I keep it in these twists so that it'll be sectioned off and easier to wash and doesn't get retangled, because if I take it out of the twist and just wash my scalp like while all my hair is out, it'll get retangled and that'll defeat the process of me pre-pooing it before getting in the shower. She's cute. Okay, I look like a, we're not even gonna say, you know, positive affirmations only. I look gorgeous. Now I'm going to put a cute little deep conditioner plastic bag on my head from Cantu. I got it at Target while I clean up the bathroom a little bit. These really come in handy when I'm deep conditioning because I get to keep all the heat from my head inside the cap circulating, really helping the deep conditioner do its thing, you know? I would recommend a reusable cap though, obviously, because we trying to save the planet. Honey, we going down. You know, there's no saving this train, I'm gonna be honest, but we should still attempt to. So if you have something better than something that's plastic for a one-time use, I would use it. So I usually do it for like 30 minutes. If I'm in a hurry, it might be like 15. It really doesn't do anything after, I think, 30 minutes. So make sure you read your directions and your instructions, because they be knowing what they talk about. I do not like most of curly hair because they look like spiders. This is like about the amount of shed hair I got. It's really not a lot compared to the amount of shed hair I used to get when I would use a wide tooth comb. Like, but ever since I stopped using a comb, girl, I got less breakage, okay? A smile helps everything be better. Lies. we can pretend. Also, I am very aware that you should not dry your hair with a towel and you should dry it with a cotton t-shirt. Do I have any available right now? No, so we're not gonna talk about it. So today I'm gonna use the melanin products from Whitney White, who's the OG natural hair and care YouTuber on YouTube. I've been watching her since, I think I've been watching her since like 6th grade. But it's so dope and I highly recommend it. I don't know how my hair is gonna interact with this Houston humid air. Usually if I just leave it alone, it kind of like gets fluffier as the day goes on by itself. And this is like my absolute go-to style when I don't know what to do with my hair or when I'm in between protective styling. I'm gonna leave it alone because it's already like, it's like semi-defined, but it's not like, you know. But yeah, thanks guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you want to see more natural hair videos like this, then let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on all my other social media platforms. The link will be in the description box down below, as well as somewhere here on the screen. I'll see you guys in my next video. Can't even